Hello everybody, this is a Lamley showcase slash unboxing, or maybe unboxing slash showcase, call it what you want. Matchbox Collector, you see it right there, you know what it is. That means Matchbox Premium. Used to be super fast, used to be Lesney Edition, I don't know. There's been a bunch of best of, I think has been called. I'm sure the name will change again. Right now, Premium means Matchbox Collector. And Matchbox Collector is a little bit different. That means two-piece wheels. It means more deco, no die-cast chassis, but cool premium models for sure. And they're not like that much priced more, right? But they're kind of a cool set, and there's some really, really cool stuff in here. Mattel sent this case to me. I already cut it open. I don't think you needed to see me do that. But unboxing portion of it will be quick because there's not too much. Well, you'll see. We got two of this one, two of this one, two of this one, and one each of those, which creates a little bit of a frustration, I believe, because there's one particular model that I think is going to be incredibly popular. But let's get right to it. Let's look at the models and then really focus more on the showcase portion of it. So, two of the 2019 Ford Ranger. I'm trying to look. I'll just show you the packaging right now so you can kind of get through that. It says it 2019 Ford Ranger on both sides. It says True Grip wheels, full die-cast body, right? All that kind of stuff. You've got cool artwork with the box, which I think a lot of people are happy about. It's number 7 of 20. There'll be 20 models this year. Here's the back. There's that if you want it. You can freeze the screen. Notice a couple of things here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 models here. One of them was delayed. It's that guy right there, the 2015 Mercedes-Benz G550. We'll see that in a future mix. So let's put one off to the side. Let's get this one opened up. There's the box. Nothing in the, I mean, you can put the model in the box, but it's a really cool box. Kind of old school. A lot of Matchbox, old school Matchbox collectors will display their models this way, right? Kind of try and balance it right there, which is very kind of cool, I think. But let's have a look at the model itself. Matchbox deco. Well, we'll start with just by showing you what actually opens up. You got the hood that opens, and you have the tailgate that opens as well. So you can kind of balance that one out right there. But let's take a look at the model. Two-piece tires. These are the Matchbox two-piece tires. They've been known, and you'll see, to borrow from the blue brand occasionally, but not in these wheels. I like the orange trim on it. Super Lift is what you got here. So they have that ongoing license with Super Lift. So this is a Super Lift deco, done as a Matchbox car. I wonder if we'll see like maybe this Ranger done as a Super Lift in real life. That would be kind of cool, wouldn't it? I don't know. But they've done that before. They've done some Matchbox models, right? And the Super Lift has. They've done the real versions of these cars. So that one looks very, very cool with the Matchbox trim and all the rest of it on it of the Ranger. I think that's the second version, right? The first one was just from the moving parts line. All right, let's move that over here. Let's go to the next one. A lot of people like this one, of the Lamborghini Centenario. This is the second version, also debuted in moving parts in that kind of gunmetal gray with the yellow trim. This one's in black with the red trim. We just got to open it, right? This is number 5 of 20, by the way. I'd have to go through the numbers to see what we've got. I think in the last mix, the new casting was the Land Rover, right? All right, let's have a look at this guy. So, a couple of things. This one also has the Matchbox two-piece wheels. These I'd like to see go away, to be perfectly honest. I like the spokes on them, but I think they're a little too small. I think they're a little too narrow and a little too large profile. I actually, you see on the art on this box, you can see they went with the 5 spokes. I actually prefer this with the plastic 5 spokes on it. I would, if I were someone, see if you look at right here, how it doesn't totally, I don't know. Such a nice casting, especially with the fact that the doors open, the scissor doors, which is so cool. They are plastic, but I see no change in the coloring there, at least from what I can tell with the black. So it looks really good, but I'm just not into these wheels. They're just too small, and I don't mind the spokes on them, but for a modern casting like this, which is done so well by Matchbox, they don't do it service with those wheels. So that's my opinion on it. I mean, everything else is really cool on this one, but probably deserves a wheel swap. Put those 5 spokes on it. I think that would be really cool. Matchbox has to work on those premium wheels. I'll be honest. I think they're okay. They need to be better. All right, let's here. What am I doing here? Let's do this properly. There we go. Okay, next one. 2 of the oh, there's some angry dogs. 1964 Volkswagen Beetle. Look at the deco on this one. This one's kind of cool. All right, we got 2. Let's open this one up. There's your box. I like this. I like this little portion of the art. Everything else is cool. When you do an outdoor unboxing, you get dogs, but that's a happy thing, right? Okay, let's have a look at the model itself. So, told you they borrow from the Blue. Blues had got the Real Riders figured out. I still think Matchbox Blues plastic models, basic wheels, have definitely made massive strides in the last few years. Matchbox I always thought had the better the better basic wheels, but Hot Wheels is way ahead in the 2-piece wheels, and that definitely shows here with these chrome steelies on this Beetle, which just looks super cool. What does that deco say? Luke, I think, and then Matchbox boards, like MB boards, like it's surfboard. Yeah, surfboard deco, which looks cool. Chrome base, which I know a lot of people like. I do too. Looks good on that Beetle. Let's put that right there. And then let's go to the final 2. So this is the bummer, right? I think people are going to be happy with 2 of the Lamborghini and maybe the Ranger doesn't need to be 2. And people like the Beetles, right? So the Beetle. They like the Beetles too. But I think there's going to be a little bit of a bummer that these only go 1 each. We'll start with this guy, the Porsche 550 Spider. Second version of this one started in moving parts. These don't necessarily always have. I should probably say that these don't always necessarily have to have moving parts. The Beetle does not. So the Lamborghini, everything has moving parts, but they might just go premium on some basic models as well, like they did with the Beetle. So we've seen that before too, right? Okay. Don't think I need to explain any more of that. Porsche 550 Spider. I'm digging this one. And again, this one, let's just get to it. Open up, let's have a look at that box. This is number 8 of 20. Here's the box. Art's cool. Art's way cool. And the model is also cool. Wheel wells seem a little big on this one, but if you get it right, the right light like this one, it looks really cool. Opening rear, so you can see the engine in the back, which has been detailed as well. So that looks really nice. And it's got these tail lights with the stripes. Is that a Porsche thing with those red stripes on there? Because other than that, it's very plain, which I like. Porsche logo on the front. Hot Wheels Steelies on the front and back. I like that. They could be a little bigger, right? A little bigger. But I do like this model a lot. Has such a classic roadster look to it. Digging. But really guys, it comes down to this last one. I have heard so much Hot Wheels collectors after this one, Matchbox collectors obviously after this one. This is the Henry J. Gasser brand new casting. It is the one new casting in this batch, number 6 of 20. Check this thing out. Notice white wheel in the back, chrome wheel in the front. That's a gasserish thing. That's no correct term, but I used it anyway. Get rid of the box. Here is the box. Look at this. So the Henry J, right, was an actual was that the brand? It was a car maker in the 50s, right? I think it started in like 1950, ended in like 1954. This was supposed to be like a compact car of the era, right? By the way, that's cool too. I didn't notice the bottom. That looks nice. I think that's the story, and obviously this is a Gasser version, so it's not a stock version. But a really cool creative choice. And to be honest, for you Gasser collectors, Hot Wheels Gasser collectors, add this one. It even has the Hot Wheels Real Riders on it, so you could even pass, but it's got good Matchbox coloring on it. Sunset Rocket, Michael Geraldo did this one. I think he mentioned that on Instagram. Opening hood, that's a metal piece, right? And then it's got the opening hood in the front. This thing. Okay, this thing is awesome. Notice the headlights look cool, crossed out 1. 321 on the front with the number 58, which is very much a Michael Geraldo reference. You got the little rocket on the side. This thing, okay. I'm going to say this right now. This is going to be up there. This is going to be a collector favorite for sure. And we'll be up there for model of the year, no doubt, among the Matchbox collectors. And I think the Hot Wheels collectors that vote too. And many of you which collect both brands no matter what. That is far and away the standout of this set. And I think it looks fantastic. That is it. Big bummer here is that there's only one gasser per mix, per case. So my guess is that we'll see this, we'll see it in Walmart. There will be plenty to go around. You find it, you'll buy it, right? You'll be the lucky one to get it, and then have someone else get it when they put more cases out there. And I've seen them be pretty generous about the cases. So that is the model to get for sure. You guys tell me what you think, because I'm digging this one. Like all of these, wheels need to be improved there. Other than that, I'm really digging this mix. It is gorgeous. All right. Thanks, Mattel, for sending this. You guys tell me which one is your favorite. Gonna go after that Henry J? You should. Bye.